Hey, are you ready for the big exam next week?
Not really. I still have so much to review.
Same here. That's why I thought we should organize a group study session.
That's a great idea. Who else should we invite?
Maybe Anna, Mark, and Lisa. They're all in our class.
Good choices. Do you think they'll join?
I'm sure they will. Everyone wants to do well on this exam.
True. Where should we meet?
We could meet at the library. It's quiet and has big tables.
Yes, but the library closes early.
Right. What about my house?
That could work if your parents don't mind.
They won't. They like it when I study with friends.
Okay, then your house it is. What day works best?
How about Saturday afternoon?
That works for me. What time?
Around 2 p.m.?
Perfect. How long should we study?
Maybe 3 hours, with a short break in the middle.
Sounds good. What subjects will we cover first?
I think we should start with math. It's the hardest.
Agreed. We can go over the practice problems.
Then, after math, we can move to history.
Yes, especially the essay questions.
Good point. Do you think we should assign topics to each person?
That's smart. Each person can prepare and explain one topic.
Exactly. Teaching others helps us learn better.
Okay, I'll take the history timeline.
Great. I'll prepare the math formulas.
And Anna can cover the science section?
And Lisa can work on the vocabulary for English.
Perfect. We'll all share the work.
Should we print study notes to share?
Yes, maybe one page for each topic.
I'll make copies before Saturday.
Thanks. Should we also prepare flashcards?
That's a great idea. They'll help with quick revision.
I can make flashcards for science terms.
Perfect. I'll do the math formulas.
And we can quiz each other with them.
Exactly. Should we bring snacks, too?
Yes, studying is easier with food.
I'll provide drinks and some fruit.
I can bring cookies.
Awesome. What about breaks?
Maybe a 10-minute break every hour?
Good plan. That way we won't get too tired.
Do you think we should use laptops?
Maybe for research, but not too much.
Right. They can be distracting.
Let's agree to keep phones away, too.
Definitely. No social media during study.
Yes, full focus.
What about reviewing past exam papers?
Great idea. I have copies of last year's exams.
Bring them. Practicing with real questions helps.
I will. Should we set goals for each session?
Yes, like finishing math problems by 3 p.m.
And starting history right after.
That will keep us on track.
Do you want me to write a schedule?
Yes, and share it with everyone before Saturday.
I'll send it in the group chat.
Good. Should we also decide who leads each part?
Yes. Whoever prepared that topic should lead.
Make sense?
Do you think we need more than one session?
Maybe. We can see how much we cover on Saturday.
If needed, we can plan another one before the exam.
Yes. Maybe on Tuesday evening.
That's possible. We'll decide later.
Okay. Do you think everyone will really focus?
I'll make sure of it.
You'll be the strict teacher?
Maybe just the organizer.
Fair enough.
Are you nervous about the exam?
A little, but studying together helps.
I agree. It makes learning less stressful.
Plus, we can explain things to each other.
Yes. Sometimes friends explain better than teachers.
Exactly.
Okay, so Saturday, 2 p.m. at my house.
With snacks, notes, and flashcards.
And no phones.
Deal.
I'll message Anna and Lisa tonight.
Let me know what they say.
I will. Thanks for helping organize this.
No problem. We'll all benefit from it.
True. This exam won't scare us.
Not if we're prepared.
All right, let's study hard and do our best.
Agreed.